Okay. Seriously, we got this map again. Oh, not whatever. Wait, should I? Wait a minute. Let me just. You know what? I'll just. No, okay, here we go. So, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing Bloons TD Battles 2, but we're using monkeys that somewhat resemble the TF2 characters. So we'll do a couple rounds. So the monkeys I'll be using is the dirt monkey, which is supposed to be the heavy, the acclimatist monkey, which is supposed to be the medic, the engineer monkey, which is, well, obviously the engineer. The sniper monkey is, well, obviously the sniper. The wizard monkey is supposed to be Marasmus, because why not? Marasmus doesn't show up that often in the franchise, so yeah, I'll use the wizard monkey as Marasmus, even though he's pretty much just like a background character or something. He is still a character in the TF2 franchise. So yeah, so I'll just use the wizard monkey as Marasmus. Yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, wait, never mind. So yeah. So wizard monkey Marasmus, remember. Okay. Doing well so far. Where's the bubble? Oh, there it is. No, wait, it's not a bubble, it's a ball. You know, whatever. I'ma just... That's so cool. Wait, what's happening? Seriously, it always tells me to do this, bro. I do not even know why. Whatever. Anyway, let's continue. Heroic Tiger. Oh, by the way, if you didn't know, Marasmus is one of my favorite characters in the TF2 genre. Besides from, Pyro, and Engineer, because meme. Heavy, yeah, he is one of my favorites. Although I don't use him that much. I only use him in, what's it called? I think it was called, like... No, whatever. Mr. O'Bine Greenfoot. You'll rise your week. Oh, by the way, O'Bine Greenfoot literally wants the balloons to touch grass until they die. I've got Captain Churchill over here.
It's going to rain on today.
We have pink balloons, boy. Pink balloons are overpowered. Well, not so much. Wait, what? Sorry for the burp. No, balloons, do not. Don't go back. Go attack. I need money. Give me the money. Come on, I need money. Oh my gosh. Yes. Pink blue spam. Yay. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Oh, come on. Wait, what did I see? Wait, what? Enjoy it. Yeah. Well, there goes bait. Fine one. this shortcut thing on the ridge.
Oh, not getting through.
Let's go! Alright.
That's how you use firepower.
Next round, boys. Okay, let's do this. Medieval.
May the best monkey win.
Always look. Oh. Let's play. Heavy breathing, lol.
Let's move out.
Let's do this. Oh wait. I forgot. Okay. Anyway, let's just spam a little bit. Anyway, we are going to be playing. Wait, why am I making an intro in the middle of the video, bruh? Anyway, yeah, exactly. Okay. Oh, by the way, guys, please, I want 150 subscribers, and then I will get an Instagram. Do you want me to get an Instagram? No? Yes? If you want to get for me to get an Instagram, get me to 150 subscribers, please, guys. Wait, Captain Churchill.
Rain hard today.
I mean, it did rain this morning. So yeah. But it wasn't that hard. Okay. Yes. Okay, then. That whistling sucks. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, right. I forgot. We have Captain Churchill. What we have to worry about? It's Captain Churchill. Why should we worry about let's try these bad boys. Oh come on, seriously? They only come in ones. to fry. Oh, yes! Yes, boy. Yes. Oh, come on. Wait, wait. Oh, he's losing big health. Oh, he died from a natural. Nice. Anyway, we're gonna, yeah. Next round, boys. Anyway, let's continue. Okay. Oh, seriously, bro? Try that again. Boy. Yeah. You know, this can, yeah, this can do it. Let's go. Boy.
May the best monkey win.
Yes.
Never miss.
Let's move out. Okay, this is great because we have heavy. Yeah, right, Quancy. Bruh. Focus target. Yeah, much better. There you go. There you go. Now we're safe. Yeah, nice try, dude. But you're not gonna. You're not gonna. Okay, there you go. Bro, this guy's not even a bit. Just spam. Yeah, nice try, but you're not gonna. I just put one over to here. Time to buff for. Ooh, let's go! I got first blood. Time to buff my heavy with the medic. Need more. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes, good so far. Okay. Bro, you really think. You really think, bro. You really think. Bro. Okay. Alright, let's just stop for a moment and think. Why did he put Quincy at the most? Like, look at this, guys. It's barely even there, bro. Why did this person do this, bro? Why? Anyway, time to put Captain Churchill over here.
The sun god fights on the side with the best artillery.
True. What, aka the super monkey that he's talking about. The sun god fights with the best artillery. Yeah. Wait, what the? Why did he put a sentry over? Oh, okay. I get it. That's why he put the sentry over there. Okay. So, guys, If you would like to, like the video, smash that like button. What was that cringe? Anyway, boom, nice. Yes. There, Lincoln is at wait. Wait a minute. You know, whatever. He tried. He's got a wizard. Oh no. Oh, hi, Mama. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Yes, let's go. Oh no, yeah, I forgot he got the wizard monkey. The wizard monkey, wow. Anyway, yeah. Okay, guys, let's just, okay, we're back. Nothing too, you know. Oh my gosh. Rainbow balloon spammer. Wow. Too much damage. Yes, I need my money. Just need more money. Just spend 12 times. Come on. Okay, what the bloody hell is... What is this guy doing, bro? What is this guy doing? What the... What is this guy doing, bro? What does he think he is? Satan? What balloons is he even doing, bro? What balloons is he even using? Mob. I'm gonna get the revenge on you. You ain't gonna do crap, my dude. You ain't gonna do yeah, at least he took damage, bros. Yeah. What is he even doing, bro? It's gonna failure. Oh no. 20 damage. Anyway. Just a little bit more. In 3, 2, 1. Boom, we got lasers, boy. I need another Dotling gun. Moab class blue inbound. Yes. Hopefully the BFB doesn't come, or else I am dead. Moab plus blue inbound. I am dead. Next round. Okay. No. Oh yes. So yes, guys, this was the map that we died from. Ooh, pineapple. Give me that pineapple. I want the pineapple. Well, I'll just use a fork, just because I don't want my hands dirty. Yeah. Wait. Ratatatata. Oh. Nom nom nom. Nom nom. Nom nom nom. Alright. Done eating the pineapple. 69. This map kind of looks like the number 69, not gonna lie. Like, this is the 6. Wait, no. Wait. Like this is the 6, and like this is the 9. Why does this map look like 69, bro? 69 bits. Anyway, upgrade. Laser shock, boy. Alright, there we go. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm just gonna eat one more pineapple. Pineapple. Oh. Oh. Delicious. Aquilus monkey buff the guy. Buff the dude up, bro. Or else I will sell you for 69 billion. I don't even know. Monkey bunny, haha. What? Come on, buff this guy out. Oh no, pink balloons. Everyone hates pink balloons. But, well, I think everybody hates every balloon. Except for the ones that help the baby, you know. Like the necromancer. You know, like the necromancer balloon, like the one that the wizard guy summons. You know? Nice. Buff. Pineapple. Ow. Okay, I'm done eating my pineapple. Again. No order.
The Sun Guard fights on the side with the best artillery.
I'm just, you know, I'm just going to wait until, wait, that can level up? Yeah. Only 2 at a time, okay. Lol. I have the acclimus, so. Okay. You share my dude. Yep, they can also handle with camera apparently. Let's go, another win. And yeah, that's just going to end of the video. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, please subscribe, or I will come for you. Bye.